Kumpiyansa naman si Rain or Shine head coach Kaloy Garcia na makaka-bounce back sila sa heartbreaking loss nila kontra Barangay Ginebra noong linggo. Nakatakdang harapin ng koponan ang Blackwater Elite bukas. Ang buong detalye sa report ni teammate Maria Isabel Reyes.
Matalo kontra Barangay Ginebra, positibo pa rin si Rain or Shine head coach Kaloy Garcia sa kampanya ng Elasto Painters ngayong All-Filipino Conference. Bigo ang Rain or Shine na makuha ang top spot sa standings matapos palasapin ng Team Cone mentored squad ng pagkatalo noong linggo. Pero ayon kay Garcia, may mga good points silang natutunan sa kanilang heartbreaking loss.
Well, and today medyo nag-scrimmage kami. I wanted to see the ball movement again back kasi I believe in the last quarter kasi masyado kami naging individualistic when it came to offense. Masyado mabagal ang ball movement. So yun ang emphasize namin today was more on our offense, on the adjustment on how to move the ball quicker. In case we get denied or in case they do something, they surprise us on the ball screens. So yun, we have to trust each other more.
Hindi nakascore sa huling 4 na minuto ng kanilang laban kontra crowd favorite Ginebra ang Elasto Painters. Nahawak ngayon ang 2-1 win-loss card at may 5-way tie kasama ang Blackwater, San Miguel, Phoenix at TNT. Aminado si Garcia, hindi maganda ang ball movement nila at nagkanya-kanya ang team sa huling quarter ng laban. Malamig din ang shooting ni 3-point specialist Jeff Chan na nalimitahan sa 3 puntos sa kanilang last game. Pero hindi pa umano kailangang i-press ang panic button para kay Chan.
Well, surprisingly with Jeff, the last 3 games medyo hindi siya nakaka-connect pa rin. He came early today and shot a lot of shots before practice. Medyo hindi mo na siya kailangan sa pagsabihan. I think it's his mentality already that he knows he has to step out of that dilemma. So, yun. But today in practice medyo okay naman. I think it's sometimes masyado rin matagal kasi yung bola bago umabot sa kanila. So, yun, I told the players that not only our bigs can shoot but also the wings, so we have to look for that.
Samantala, umaasa si Garcia na hindi mauulit ang kanilang fourth quarter collapse sa pagharap nila sa Blackwater Elite sa Biyernes. Susubukan din umano nilang limitahan ang mga big man ng team at si rookie forward Mac Bello.
Well, Blackwater's a different team now. They're a lot better. Bello really changed a lot for that team, but even the other players are stepping up, like sila Kyle Pascual. They've been playing well. And we know they're a very physical team. They're a big team, very physical. Their guards are big and strong. Pero yun, I think we just have to trust each other on offense and on defense.
Sa Biyernes, alas 4:15 ng hapon, nakatakda ang tapatan ng Elite at Elasto Painters sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.